Welcome to HTech IT Education. Today I am going to show you how to write your first HTML program in Notepad. For that we need to open a Notepad editor, and after that we need to write our HTML document in this editor. For that purpose we will need some HTML tags like HTML tag, head tag, body tag, and within the body tag we will write our contents. So after that we need to save our HTML document with the HTML file extension. So after saving we need to copy this path where we have saved our file so that later on we can open this in our browser. So in the last step we need to open our browser where we need to open this file. So here you can see we have opened our browser, and here we are going to open our HTML page. So this is our HTML page. If we add some more content, then that content will be reflected in the browser. So this is how we can write our HTML document in Notepad. So if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.